When we want to manifest a desire, most of us often rely on certain techniques. I'm not asking you to stop practicing techniques, but I want to remind you that the actual power lies within you, and you can manifest your desires without any technique. You only need to realize this power, and you will become able to manifest any desire in no time without practicing any technique for several days. Neville Goddard famously said, "If you can hold it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands." I'm talking about the power of your imagination. Neville Goddard believed that imagination creates reality. In this video, I'm going to explain how powerful your imagination is and how you can use it effectively to manifest any desire in no time. But before we start this video, show your support and appreciation by subscribing to our channel. So now let's get started. Well, I'm a big advocate of using affirmations to change the way you think about yourself, but that doesn't mean you should forget about the power of your imagination. As humans, we use our imagination all the time, whether we realize it or not. You can't separate a person from their imagination. For instance, if you find yourself repeating affirmations like "I am loved" over and over, it's probably because, deep down, you believe or used to believe that you're not loved. These repetitive affirmations are an attempt to counteract those negative thoughts with positive ones. But the thing is, if you've been doing this for days or weeks and you still don't truly feel or believe it, there's a reason. You're likely still imagining that you're not what you're telling yourself you are with those repeated words. If that's the case, it's time to take a look at what's going on in your imagination. What are you imagining day in and day out? Your imagination has a powerful role in creating your world. If you're not happy with what's happening in your life right now, it's time to use your imagination to change it. When you take control of your imagination, your real-life experiences in the physical world will start to shift. Your imagination is not just a place for daydreaming. It's a dynamic and influential force that shapes your reality. Everything you see around you, from the buildings to the technology, started as an idea in someone's imagination. They imagined it, and then they made it happen. Now let's talk about using your imagination for your personal growth and achieving your desires. Your imagination is where you can create a mental picture of the life you want. In your imagination, you can make your dreams a reality, complete with all the feelings and experiences that come with it. What you need to understand is that your imagination isn't something separate from your everyday life. It's connected to your reality. What you imagine in your mind affects your thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and actions, and those actions shape the events and circumstances in your physical world. So if your current real-life experiences don't match up with what you want, it's a sign that your imagination might be stuck in old, negative patterns. It's time to take control and consciously use your imagination to create the future you desire. This doesn't mean you should stop using affirmations or other self-improvement techniques. It means recognizing that your imagination is a powerful tool in your transformation. Here's a simple exercise to get started. Pay attention to what you're imagining throughout the day. What scenarios play out in your mind when you're not actively thinking about something else? Are these mental scenes in line with your desired reality, or do they contradict it? Identifying these patterns is the first step in using your imagination more effectively. Once you've identified where your imagination might be working against you, it's time to make a conscious shift. Start by vividly imagining your desired outcomes. Use all your senses: see, hear, feel, and even smell and taste the elements of this imagined reality. By immersing yourself in these mental images, you're sending clear signals to your subconscious mind that this is the reality you want to create. Make this imaginative practice a regular part of your day. Whether it's through short meditation sessions or brief moments of visualization, keep revisiting the mental images of your desired reality. Neville Goddard says that when you are manifesting your desires, whether it's a dream job, financial abundance, good health, or even a specific person, the focus should always be on you, not just the outcome you seek to manifest. Here's what he says: your imagination will go to work to bring about that state in your outer world. You need not be concerned about how this will be accomplished. Your imagination will use whatever natural means are necessary to bring it about. So no matter what you want to manifest in your 3D world, wealth, health, professional success, fame, or any other desire, it all begins with you. You are the architect of your reality, shaping it through your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Understanding and embracing this fundamental concept is key to mastering the art of conscious manifestation. Let's dive deeper into this idea. Many individuals embark on their manifesting journey with a laser focus on external circumstances. They yearn for a bigger paycheck, a loving partner, or improved health. While these desires are valid and achievable, the critical point to understand is that the journey starts within. You are the catalyst for bringing your desires to life, and your inner world plays a crucial role in this process. Consider this. When you want to manifest financial abundance, it's not only about attracting money, it's about transforming your financial consciousness. The state of your finances reflects your inner beliefs and attitudes towards wealth. Therefore, to manifest financial prosperity, you must begin by reshaping your internal relationship with money and transforming your thoughts about money. The same principle applies to all aspects of life. If you want to manifest better health, it's essential to cultivate a mindset that aligns with well-being. Your beliefs about health, your daily habits, and your self-image all contribute to your current state of health. To manifest improved health, you must first have positive thoughts and beliefs that support well-being. And if your desire revolves around a specific person, such as attracting a loving partner or recreating a new version of someone, the focus remains on you. It's not about manipulating or controlling another person's will. It's about transforming yourself to become the ideal partner or magnet for the love you want to manifest. Your inner state of self-love, confidence, and worthiness will play a significant role in drawing the right person into your life. Neville Goddard believed that the imagination is a limitless power. It means your imagination is a space where you have the freedom to become whatever you desire. Essentially, your imagination is bound only by the limits you place on it, making it essential to nurture and develop. Think of your imagination as a skill that can be improved and perfected with practice. Just as you enhance any other skill through repetition, your imagination becomes more powerful with regular exercise. You can engage your imagination in various ways, and Neville was known to provide exercises to his students to enhance their imaginative abilities. For instance, he encouraged them to imagine themselves as simple objects, like a glass of water resting on a table, and to experience the world from the unique perspective of that glass. This exercise might sound unusual, but it shows that your imagination can be playful and creative. But remember, don't restrict your imagination to invaluable objects. You possess the power to imagine yourself as the most extraordinary, influential, and wealthy individual on the planet. Imagine yourself as royalty, a queen or king, with the world bending to your desires. Imagine yourself performing miraculous feats. In this imaginative space, your only boundary is the extent of your imagination. Imagine how you want to engage with the world in your imagination. Feel the emotions you desire and become the person you want to be. In this creative space, there's no room for shame, doubt, fear, or limitations. Don't hold back. Your imagination is like a canvas where you can create a wonderful world, and it will manifest in your real life. Let your active imagination serve a purpose, just like Neville suggested. When you do this, you'll find that the world can adapt to your desires. Now let's explore this vast space of your imagination. It's not just for daydreams, it's a powerful tool for changing your reality. Your imagination connects your current situation with your desired future. By imagining your goals and dreams vividly, you're sending strong signals to your subconscious. Think of your imagination as a playground where you can shape and manifest your desires. Imagine yourself as the person you want to be, with all the qualities you desire. Start by closing your eyes and visualizing your ideal self. See yourself as confident, capable, and successful. Feel the emotions associated with this version of yourself. In your imagination, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Maybe you've always wanted to be a musician, an entrepreneur, or a businessman. In your imagination, you can explore these roles effortlessly. You can be any character and try different aspects of yourself. Now here's an exercise. Choose an area of your life where you want change. Close your eyes and imagine excelling in that area. Visualize your achievements, positive feedback, and fulfillment. As you immerse yourself in this mental image, you're telling your subconscious that this is your desired reality. Remember, the more vivid and emotionally charged your imagination, the stronger its impact on your self-image, and consequently, your actions and results. Your imagination can also help you break free from limiting beliefs. We all have beliefs that hold us back, but your imagination can help change that. It can rewire your belief system. By consistently imagining scenarios that align with your desired beliefs, you're reprogramming your subconscious. For instance, if you believe you're not good enough for a job or relationship, use your imagination to challenge this belief. Visualize yourself excelling in that job or having a fulfilling relationship. As you engage in these imaginative sessions, you're sending new signals to your subconscious that support your desired beliefs. Remember, your subconscious doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. It processes the information you give it, whether based on past experiences or imagined scenarios. By using your imagination in this way, you're paving the way for new beliefs to take root. Your imagination can help you a lot when you are facing challenges in your life. Instead of seeing challenges as obstacles, use your imagination to view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Think of a current challenge in your life. It could be a setback at work, a personal struggle, or a relationship issue. Close your eyes and imagine yourself confidently addressing this challenge. Picture yourself finding innovative solutions, learning valuable lessons, and emerging stronger. By doing this, you're not denying the challenge's existence, you're changing your perspective on it. You're training your mind to see challenges as stepping stones to your growth. Positive affirmations can enhance the effectiveness of your imagination. Affirmations are concise statements that reinforce your desired beliefs and outcomes. When combined with your imagination, they can enhance your mental efforts. For example, if you want to boost your self-confidence, repeat affirmations like "I am confident," "I believe in myself," and "I am capable" as you imagine scenarios where you exhibit confidence. The key is to align your affirmations with your imaginative goals. Affirmations are declarations of your intentions, and when repeated consistently, they reinforce these intentions in your subconscious. Visualization is another tool that complements your imagination. While imagination creates mental images, visualization adds depth and sensory experiences. Choose a specific goal or desire. Close your eyes and imagine it as a reality. For example, if you want to advance in your career, visualize yourself confidently leading a successful meeting, receiving praise from colleagues, and achieving your goals. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this idea by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.